What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a look at the Off-White Zoomfly Mercurials. So starting off with the box, it's a silver box with the orange circles. The orange circles have a little bit like a halo effect, so they do change colors. Has the traditional off-white lettering. On the side of the box it does say box and quote. So looking at the tag, we have the official name, Nike Zoomfly Mercurials in the off-whites. This is a size 10, US 10, retail $200 US. Opening the box, it comes with a very bright Nike off-white bag that you can hold your shoes in. On the front it does have the Nike logo. It says logo right here, it quotes. We have one of the circles in white as well as a circle in blue. And at the bottom it says boot bag. On the back it has the same letterings from on top of the shoebox, the off-white lettering, as well as the yellow dot at the top and the off-white logo at the bottom. The size of this is pretty small. You fit about a pair of shoes in here. We have a look at the paper. It comes with pretty similar paper to other off-white shoes. It comes with a clear paper, but this one has the dots on it and it has the off-white letters on it as well. As well, the paper it says paper and quotes. So looking at the shoe, this features an orange Flyknit upper with orange shoelaces that has the black letterings for shoelace. On the lateral side, it features one white dot at the front as well as the white Nike logo. Midsole, it features one color changing swipe that changes from green to blue to purple to pink, as well as the word foam in the heel portion. Coming into the medial side, it features one blue dot at the top of the toe box, as well as it has the off-white lettering. And it has the color changing stripe going from green, blue, purple to pink, similar like the lateral side. Looking at the bottom of the shoe, we have orange in the forefoot, which actually has a little bit of grip, while this midfoot section is just foam. And we have a few pods right here, 5 pods of grip in white. So looking at the tongue, it says engineered for speed. You guys probably can't really see that, but underneath that it says for personal use, and it also has the word logo right here in quotes. If you look at the insole, it has the off-white logo as well as the quote-unquote logo. And the size tag, you guys can see that it's a US size 10. So one thing that I noticed from my model, I'm not sure about the rest of them, is it has a little bit of a bowing effect right here. I don't know if you guys can see that. Even on feet, you can see this. And I recommend going half a size down, since I got a size 10 and I feel like the 9.5 would have fit better. And it would have probably helped with this issue. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next videos. Thanks.